How to verify the YouTube account without a phone number. Hello everyone and let's get started. If you want to verify your YouTube account but you do not have a valid phone number, in that case we have a perfect tutorial. So to get started with, open your youtube.com on any of your browser. Tap on your profile and click on the option which says YouTube Studio. It will take you to another page. From the side panel, click on Settings and then go to Channel. From the channel list, tap on Feature Eligibility and click on Intermediate Features. Tap on Verify Phone Number. It is the place whereby you require a phone number. But if you do not have a number yourself, here is a quick fix. For this, open a website or another tab and search for quacker.io. Hereby, you can see different kinds of temporary phone numbers. Select any of them, copy it, and then paste it on the previous YouTube account, but make sure to choose the correct country code and then keep the code or phone number. Once you tap on Get Code button, make sure to go to the previous website for quacker.com and refresh the page. This way, you'll receive the code in few minutes, which you can copy and use it to verify. That is pretty much it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.